Indian Space Research Organization ISRO on Wednesday launched communication satellite GSAT-29 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. The geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle Mark III carried GSAT-29 off the ground on its second development flight. GSAT-29 is carrying an onboard unique high-resolution camera that is capable of tracking enemy ship in the Indian Ocean. This high-resolution onboard camera is being referred to as Geo Eye. It is expected to aid agencies involved in strategic surveillance. As we know, Indian Ocean has lately seen increased activities of a major global powers. China has been aggressive in increasing its presence and influence in the Indian Ocean, including recent strategic possessions in Sri Lanka and the Maldives. GSAT-29 is the 33rd made by India communication satellite. It is multi-beam and multi-band communication satellite. Once operational, GSAT-29 will provide internet connectivity in some of the remotest areas in Jammu and Kashmir.